Welcome, welcome to Young's Garage. So, on this episode, we're gonna fix some things on the go-kart. This is our very first episode, so if you're lost what we've done, I'm gonna go over it in this episode. Hey guys. Alright, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here's the go-kart. The first thing we're gonna fix this today, we're gonna fix the seat. It'll slide out from under you when you're driving it. Also, so I'm just gonna scoot this on forward here. Engine runs. So I'm just gonna go over what we've basically done to this so far. So we put this I've axle kit from BMI Karts and Parts. Thank you, BMI Parts. So we have the tire, wheels. Yes, we did pay for it. I don't know the price off of it right off. Now, this piece right here, those pieces, they are actually just angle iron. This piece was already on there. This is just angle iron. Now what's holding it is right here. I'll try to get you guys to see it. Yeah, this piece right here. That actually came with the kit. It was not already painted black. I painted it. It's just metal color is all it is. The gas pedal was home fabricated. It was bent. It was a part of something bent on a tailgate. So it's part of a tailgate. Just zoom in here. The bump stops. My dad welded the nut on there. Yeah. So I want you guys to tell me what you think of the stance. So you guys can't tell much of a stance probably from that angle. But let me get you guys down. Now, can you see the stance? Yeah. So let's get to fixing that seat. All it is was a staple to this back part, so I'm just gonna re-staple it back. And there's some other things we're gonna fix on it today. So enjoy. Alrighty guys, so what we're gonna fix is the kill switch does not work right now, so we're gonna get that working. So I don't know what happened to the old kill switch. I just put this one on here yesterday. So I still have to wire everything up into position. I gotta do some, apparently this cord came off, so I gotta rewire that cord. But I got the wiring stuff here with me. So you guys are just gonna go on the stand, and you guys are just gonna see what happens. I got a little too long. Now I'm gonna go get me something to melt that with. Got me lighter. My luck. think I need a new ladder. Hopefully I get a new one. Well, I think I got one somewhere. Some people will solder it, some people will just shrink tube it. I'm taking the quick way. I have a soldering gun. Dad has a soldering gun. But I don't want to take time to solder it. Yeah, I'm that lazy. So if you wonder why I may be doing something that some people will do but I won't do, because I'm not the best. I'm not a professional, okay? So don't judge yet. I would have loved to got some black shrink too, but I didn't have any. Oh. Probably should. I'm not going to. Yeah, I probably should have soldered it, but I'm not going to. That's not a terrible tape job here in a second. So we take things around here. I'm going to solder it. Oh. Turn this drawing, or you always on tape and reverse it. I'm going to treat it's correct. Oh, get some. Do correctly. Actually, still. Also, you need to sit aside. So now all I have left to do, I'm gonna cut that zip tie. Zip tie here. go. So, I zip tied it there, there, and there. Now we're going to work on hooking up. Now I'm going to pull this. I'm going to pull the seat off. Pull the seat off, or just to make it easier for you guys to see, and well, make it easier for me to see. Alrighty guys, looky there. Alrighty guys, the seat is off. Now I can see what I'm doing. There. That. That screw up. And it doesn't start it. All it is the kill switch. This actual kill is right there. This is on. I will. Alrighty guys, so zoom in there. There is the connection. The one to your right is the kill. The one to your left is your it's not kill. Don't start it. So zoom out. Let's see if it'll start. I'll try now. Alright guys, that is a wrap on our very first episode of Young's Garage. We've got the seat fixed, we've got the kill switch work. So that's gonna be today. It's gonna be it for today. If I'm squinting, it's because there's a sign behind you. So that's all we're gonna do today. So please check out Patreon. I have the link to the description and below. Comment below, like this video, hit the subscribe, please, because this is our very first video, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.